Hi guys! Today is April 8, 2024. Kakatapos lang namin ng third elimination round last Saturday and today is Monday. And I'm struggling with my voice right now. And kinakabahan ako kasi naging rugado ang aking voice after the performance last Saturday, and I'm I'm having a fever. I have a cough and cold, and masakit yung katawan ko. Pero I'm still going to practice right now para hindi ko makalimutan kung paano mag-build up ng mga techniques when it comes to this song for my upcoming semifinals. Good job, Self. I am one of the semifinalists. 14 contestants nung Saturday. Combination round siya. Yun yung last elimination round, which is 14 contestants kami. Then, natanggal ng 5. So, bale 9 kami. And next month, May, or this April, ata yung magaganap yung wild card, which is dun sa mga nakaraang month, February, March, and nung Saturday, yung mga natanggal doon is maglalaban-laban sila. And isa lang yung makukuha sa kanila, and maglalaban sila for the semifinals. Kasama namin maglalaban yung isang natanggap doon sa wild card. So, after ng semifinals, 5 naman yung matatanggal. Diba, 9 plus 1 is yung sa wild card, bali 10. So, matatanggal yung 5. Matatanggal ulit yung 5. And yung 5 matitira is kasama na sa grand finals, which is after a week of the semifinals. May 18 is yung semifinals and May 25 is yung grand finals. Hoping na makapasok pa rin tayo sa grand finals, and yeah, in God's glory talaga, Lord, please. Hoping talaga. Pero hindi ako nag-expect kasi I already surrender it to God kung ano yung magiging result ng semifinals. In God's glory, hoping talaga na makapasok tayo sa grand finals. So, today I'm just going to practice because itatry ko lang. Well, sabi talaga sa akin ng coach ko, wag na daw ako kumanta. I mean, wag muna ako mag-practice ng song ko kasi kailangan ko magpahinga. Pero, you know, as a overthinker, hindi talaga ako napapakali. Hindi ako napapakali pag hindi ako mag-practice and hindi ko ma-perfect yung song talaga. Hindi ako napapakali pag ganun. That's why I'm going to practice right now. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. Yoko na, guys. Suko na ako. Ang hirap talaga. Pagpaos, naiinis ako. Napapressure ako. Kailangan ko na magpagaling. Hoping next week okay na ako. Ang hirap at hindi okay yung boses mo, lalo na kapag may competition ka. Tapos, meron akong salon pass. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Buong katawan ko ang sakit. Kasi, sobrang bigat ng mic. Tapos, panay pa ako sayaw. Laging tumataas yung hand ko. Tapos, ito yung sumasakit kasi ito yung dito ako lagi kumahawak ng mic. And lagi akong gumaganon. Tapos, every time na tinataas ko tong kamay, ang sakit ng dito ko. Pero it's okay. Worth it. Worth it yung sayaw ko dun. Kasi, rank 1, guys. Rank 1 po ako, guys. So, thank God. Thank God talaga. Yun talaga yung unang lumabas sa bibig ko nung tinawag akong kasama pa ako sa semifinals. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. Kasi, before pa yung third elimination round, ever since ba na nag-start yung competition, lagi talaga ako nagpipray na sana talaga makasama ako sa grand finals. And, di man ako nag-expect na maging panalo ako, pero, you know, in God's glory, matutupad yan. And, laging practice lang. Practice, practice, practice. Hindi man practice makes perfect, pero practice makes improvements, di ba? Hoping guys na gumaling na ako guys. Sana talaga gumaling na ako. Kasi ayoko rin naman kasi nagkakasakit ako. Kasi ang tagal talaga ng recovery ko. One time, nung February, first elimination round. As in, paus talaga ako. Buti na lang talaga, nakapasok pa ako. Second elimination round. Tapos yun, okay naman yung boses ko nung second elimination round. Nakapasok ulit. Sa batch 1 and batch 2, ako yung naging rank 1. And umiyak talaga ako ng grabe nung sinabi sa akin ng coach ko na ako daw yung rank 1. Hi guys! Today is April 12, 2024, and I'm just going to practice my semi-final song. Well, I am one of the semi-finalists, so
good but not enough.
Good but not enough.
Photography, ARP printing services.
Hi guys! Nasa Plaza na tayo. Guess what? Guess what guys? Guess what? Ikailan ako?
One!
Ka-number 1 ako guys.
Ka-number 1
ako, guys.
Mega Sardines, Santa Tomas.
Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko siya. Kinakabahan na ako.
Mga supporter ni
Go!
Ayan. Okay, ticket number 1, 5, 154, 10,
Yana!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Hi guys! I'm with Catherine. Kaya? Kaya? Anong final? Yes!
Matutunan na po kita, prepared ka mo, and mentally tortured ka mo ng mentally prepared.
Said it